guys? I'm Bailey. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 3, Episode 2, I believe. That's how we're doing this. If you didn't watch my last episode of Vlogmas, you wouldn't know how I'm operating Vlogmas this year. For me personally, I am a full-time high school student and YouTuber and, you know, friend and daughter, and I just have a lot going on. So for me, the traditional vlogging every single day of December up until Christmas really is not realistic or attainable for me. So this year I'm modifying it and I will be uploading every other day for the entire month of December up until Christmas. In the last video, you guys saw me go Christmas decor shopping. I didn't have the best luck with finding super cute decor, but I did find a lot, including a Christmas tree that is almost 7 feet tall. Still not sure how we're gonna fit it in this room, but today we are decorating for Christmas. I have been waiting for this moment since I took my Christmas decorations down last year, so we're doing that today. But first, I need a coffee because I am very tired. It's like 12 p.m. right now, I think. I've been up for a little while, but I feel like I haven't really started my day or gotten a lot of energy yet, so I definitely need a coffee. Alright, let's get to it. Here's what my room looks like currently. Obviously, it's giving off pretty heavy fall vibes, even though I took my pumpkins and all my little fall candles down in the last video. My room all year round is definitely very warm toned. I've got a lot of orange and like terracotta in here, and we're gonna try to get rid of all of it. All I'm looking for is white, silver, and red, so we have a lot to do. We're gonna start off by cleaning my room and making sure we have a really good, clean slate to decorate. I'm gonna spray down all my surfaces and kind of like dust and just do that type of cleaning first.
Yeah. Oh, sorry. Mom dropped me off. And you want a sandwich?
You want one?
I just ate.
I got you one.
I don't need one.
Bacon or sausage?
I don't want one.
Oh, shit. Alright.
Alright, that's always the hardest part. Everything is dusted and like wiped down. I didn't put the stuff back on my bookshelves because I have Christmas decorations that go up there and I don't exactly know what. Like, I don't remember out of that stuff what I actually leave up there. So I'm just gonna get all of my Christmas decorations kind of together and analyze and try to remember where everything goes. I have all of my Christmas decor. I have stuff from last year and the year before that. And then I have the stuff that I bought yesterday at Target and Walmart. If you want to see like a detailed haul of the decor that I bought this year, again, you can go watch my last little Vlogmas episode. I'm going to try and figure out where to put all of this. I feel like there's more. Like, I know there's more. I don't know where it is though. I don't remember, bro, where any of this goes. Okay, on my bookshelf, I always have this brown bin that has just like miscellaneous things. I call it my junk drawer. There's just like camera equipment and chargers and just like random stuff. And then I have this red bin that I also keep a bunch of junk in a different room in my house. So I'm just gonna switch the contents between the two and then put this one on my bookshelf since it's red. Okay, you guys, this is how the bookshelf is looking so far. Added 2 little things right there and one up there. Oh, those are so... Oops. Okay, I literally just forgot to press record, but basically I just took off all of the brown tones that were on my clothing rack. I had like these 2 items on my clothing rack and they just give out very like fall color, fall vibes. So I took those down and then I'm taking down my gray and my blacks. just so that it looks Christmassy. I don't have like any room in my closet though for this stuff, so wish me luck. I don't have much left to put up besides my new tree, and I'm terrified because I really don't know where I'm gonna put this or where this is going to fit in my room. I might have to just like remove the little basket here that's in the corner, put my tree there, but we'll just see. I'm gonna kind of like build it and see how big it is, and then based on that we'll see where it can fit. Oh my god. I don't want to ruin the box because I'm going to need to put it back in there, and I totally just ruined the box. I'm going to have to vacuum all of these little pieces up. I've never built a Christmas tree. I mean, I don't think it'll be that hard. Is this the bottom? What? Oh my god. Oh, this is gonna be so freaking cute. I am so excited. I've always wanted to put like an actual big tree in my room, but I just never went for it. I have like a little mini tree that I used to put on my dresser. This year I'm not going to because I have this huge monster. All right, last piece. It's kind of ugly. Like, it's really ugly, if you guys want me to be honest. Oh my god, wait, this is so ugly. There's like no branches. This is so ugly. Maybe once I spread out all the branches, I don't know. Okay, I'm just gonna play around with it and see if I can like make it look less ugly, and then I'll be back. I can't even describe how long that took. The tree still, you know, it's not the prettiest looking tree. She's got a few gaps, she's got a few holes. She is perfectly imperfect. I mean, I feel like that's a pretty good spot for it. I don't really know where else I could put it unless I move my whole clothing rack somewhere else. I have some ornaments. I have these leftover silver ones from my little tiny tree that I used to have. And then I got these little like candy cane fluffy ornaments. I have this tree topper. And then I have these red, white, and silver ones. Okay guys, I have another issue. So the ornaments that I bought didn't come with hooks, and I just scavenged through my basement and all of the Christmas bins, and I cannot seem to find any spare Christmas ornament hooks. So I may have to run to the store, which I really don't want to do, but also I really just want to get this all done today and not put it off. But I'm going to put my little tree skirt on that I bought. There's little fuzzies all over. I'm going to have to vacuum. I think this is a little too big, but I couldn't find a smaller one. The only smaller one I could find was like a mini tiny one that was like this big. Oh my god, I feel like that's fine. I'm so tired and hot that I've been sweating. It's like 20 degrees out and I've had my window cracked for the last hour and a half. I have no idea where my phone is. Oh my goodness. Oh, my head. It just hit my head. I made it to Meijer. They better have ornament hooks or I'm going to be upset. I'm debating if I should get some garland since my tree is kind of like terrible, like to fill in the hole. Should I get garland? I just feel like that's too much. Like, I like very simple trees. I don't like when they have like a whole bunch of shit on them. I wish Walmart would have had one of these. It's a tree collar, so it's like high. That would look so much better. I also found these. They're kind of ugly. I wanted to find like little red ones, and they only have 2 of these silver ones left. But I thought that maybe I could fill in like 2 of the holes with this and just like add a little pop of something. I don't know. Alright, you guys, I am home and I am so ready to finish this little decorating up. I am sick of it, but it's also fun, so there's that. Like I said, I got these little flowers. I think that they would just be cute, like spread out. And then 100 ornament hooks. I do not know why there was not a smaller package, but I guess 100 will work. I literally keep forgetting to push record on my camera, but I just put these little flowers on and I feel like that's like a good spot for them. I don't know, does it look good on camera? Maybe this one a little lower. Oh, I love this. I think I'm gonna put my candy canes on just so that I can like evenly place them all over the tree. It comes with 8. Oh my god. One just like broke. Oh my god, I'm so dumb. JK, they look like this. I just tried to rip them apart because I thought they were individual and not like two, you know, it's a 2-in-1 type of deal, and I just tried to rip them apart and I totally, like, this is almost snapped off. I think that's good. That looks cute, right? Here is what the room is looking like. I think I have concluded the decorating and I've done as much as I physically and mentally can do at this moment in time. Throughout the month of December, I'll probably end up finding little pieces of decor in stores and stuff that I want to buy, and then I'll just like add it to somewhere. But right now I'm really happy with it. I think it looks adorable. I don't know, I'm really happy with it. I kind of just like ignore this little area because there's not really much that I can do with it. I just have like makeup brushes and like my perfumes and stuff on here. I don't really have any decor, so there isn't room for anything Christmassy over here. But moving over the tree, I think the tree turned out actually way better than I expected it to. When I opened that box and I built the tree, I had zero hope. I thought it was the ugliest tree ever. But after messing around with it for so long, probably about an hour, I got it to look semi-decent. There's some little decor right there. I think the curtains look good. It would be fun to have like bright red curtains like that color, but I already have the white ones. It's not necessary. Cute little pillows. I kind of hate them, but maybe I'll find new ones. Then I put a little red candle there. Thanks for watching. I love you guys so much. If you aren't subscribed, definitely consider subscribing and turning on your post notifications so that you don't miss any of my upcoming Vlogmas episodes, videos, whatever you want to call it. Again, I'm uploading every other day of December up until Christmas, and I have so many fun videos planned, so you guys need to I'm forcing you to subscribe and turn on your posts. Sorry, I'm losing my mind just a little bit. Let me know down below in the comments which part of my room is your favorite, whether that's like my clothing rack or my dresser or the tree or my bookshelf or my bed. Okay, I'll see you guys next time. I love you. Bye-bye.